Hello children, today we are going to start lesson 7 air. As we are learning about our basic needs and we have learned about the food and health, so next basic need is air as given in this book. Children, air is our need. If we do not get air, we cannot survive. We will die. So let's start more about air. Air is present everywhere. We cannot see, smell, taste or touch air. We can only feel air when it blows. Moving air is called wind. Slow moving air is called breeze. When the wind moves very fast, it is called storm. So children, air is present everywhere. Air is all around you. Whether you are sitting in your room, or you are playing in the playground, or you are in the school, air is present everywhere. But we cannot see air. We cannot see. Can you see the air? Where you are sitting, there is also air, but you cannot see. You cannot smell air unless it is very dirty or very good. And we cannot taste air or touch air. So, air is all around us, but we cannot see air, we cannot smell air, we cannot taste or touch air. This is all about the air. Now, we can only feel air when it blows. We can feel air. As you can see in this picture, this girl is standing near the window and feeling air. We can feel air, but when we can feel air? When it blows. So, when the air blows, it is called wind. Blows means children move. When the air moves, then it is called wind. W-I-N-D. Now, wind is of many types. When the slow or gentle wind moves, it is called breeze. When the slow and gentle air moves, it is called breeze. If you after this video, you go outside and you feel air. If you see the leaves are moving gently, it means that is breeze. Breeze is slow and gentle air. So, slow moving air is called breeze. Sometimes children, you have seen that trees are moving very fastly, very strongly. That is storm. When the wind moves very fast. Wind is all around us. When the wind moves very fast, it is called storm. Are very dangerous and harmful. It may blow down trees, houses, sometimes electric poles also. So, very fast air is called storm, and it may cause a great loss of life and property. So, children, when when there is a storm, we should stay inside our house because it is very dangerous. It may harm anything, any life. So what today we have learned, children? We have learned about the air. First thing, air is present everywhere, means air is everywhere. Second thing, we cannot see air, we cannot smell air, we cannot taste or touch air. And the next is, third is, only we can feel air when it blows. Then we have learned about the wind. What is wind? Moving air is called, when the air moves, it is called wind. That time it does not call air. It is called wind. When the air moves slowly, then it is called breeze. And when the wind moves very fast, it is called storm. So children, you please read this paragraph and understand this. Whatever I have taught you, you revise it. And now I am showing you one video that you will enjoy it and you will understand all about this better through that.
Air. Air is all around us. Even in the room where you are sitting. But it cannot be seen, felt, tasted, or smelt unless it is dirty. We cannot see the air when it is clean, but we can feel the air when it moves, like when the wind blows. We can even hear it when it moves very fast.
That air is everywhere around us. We have also learned that we cannot see, touch, or taste air. We can only feel the air when it moves. Now, let us learn more about air. Students, you must have seen the leaves of a tree waving very gently. Sometimes you may have seen the branches of a tree waving.
And sometimes you may also have seen plants or other things blowing in the air.
Sometimes you might have seen or heard that big trees, houses, and electric poles have been blown down. Do you know why all these things happen?
All these things happen due to the moving air.
Yes, all these things happen when air moves. A moving air is called wind. Let me tell you more about this. Here you can see the clothes hanging on the rope. Can you see the clothes moving gently? Do you know what makes the hanging clothes move gently?
The slowly and gently moving air makes hanging clothes move.
Yes, the slowly and gently moving air makes the hung clothes move. The slowly and gently moving air is called a breeze. So, the breeze makes the hung clothes move gently. Students, now look here. Leaves of trees are blowing in the air. Some plants are also blowing. Do you know why this is?
This is because of the very strongly moving air.
Students, sometimes air moves very strongly. The very strongly moving air is called a storm.
So, the storm makes the plants and leaves of trees to blow.
Students, sometimes a storm can also uproot trees. The storm can also blow down houses. And sometimes the storm can also blow down electric poles too.
The storm can cause a great loss to life and property. The storm is very dangerous and harmful. So, we should stay safely inside the house when there is a storm.
Students, let me revise what we have learnt about moving air. Moving air is called a wind. A gently moving air is called a breeze. Sometimes air moves very strongly. A very strongly moving air is called a storm.
A storm is very dangerous and harmful to us.